Hello everyone, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today I am here to give you a quick news regarding the new occupation list that will be coming in New South Wales and in Queensland as well. I have posted a video previously as well. It wasn't in English but it was in Punjabi. So I will give you a quick snapshot. So there was a joint standing committee report on skill migration program which was requested by a government. So that report came on 18th of March. So it has made a few recommendations. So out of those recommendations, two recommendations were that the priority migration occupation list should be expanded. The recommendation 5 said that chefs, cafe restaurant managers should be added on priority basis, and the recommendation 6 was that the other occupations should also be considered, like civil engineers, electrical engineers, motor mechanics, cooks, carpenters, electricians, and other occupations in hospitality, trade, agriculture and manufacturing sector. So there were several recommendations. So these two recommendations are very important from general skill migration perspective, for point-based visas and for employer-sponsored visas as well. We have received news that New South Wales is going to open a new list. So they will be adding new occupations on the list from 1st of April onwards. They have not released their list yet, but as explained that according to the joint committee report, the occupations that are anticipated to come on the list I have already explained you. So these occupations like cooks, chefs, restaurant managers, trade occupations have high probability of coming in the New South Wales list from 1st of April. And also Queensland is going to open again in April for invitation rounds. So they have also indicated that they are going to revise their list. So they have already indicated in seminars. So there was some seminars that happened from state governments and from federal government. So they have indicated that they are going to expand their list. So the probability is in April Queensland is also going to come up with a new list. So if you want to start your case on priority basis, we can do your case on priority basis. So just send us an email or at info@viside.com.au or give us a call at Viside number, which is 0390703485. That's it for now. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.